Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a real easy melt and pour honey and oatmeal soap. And you're going to start out by cutting your soap blocks into smaller blocks so that you can microwave them. I want to stress, and I cannot stress this hard enough, do not let the container catch on the microwave door. Do not spill the soap. Do not let it splash on you. It is hot, hot, hot when it comes out of there. So you just cut it into small cubes. This is a honey soap that I had purchased off Amazon some time back. And I'm just making this for personal use, so I thought that I would show you how I do it. I mean, it's so ridiculously easy, and I love melt and pour because it's genuinely quick, and you can do so much with it. But this is just something that I wanted to do quick and easy. You microwave it for about a minute at a time, stirring each time. This is oatmeal, just Quaker oatmeals, and you blend it up into a powder. Just blend it up as fine as you desire. Here I am just mixing it up, took it out of the microwave for a minute and just kept doing that until it was melted. Carefully mix. That soap is hot. I cannot stress that enough. It is hot. Do not spill it. Do not let children around it. Do not catch whatever microwave safe container. You need a container that really holds heat too. So now I'm just going to be adding the oatmeal into the melted honey soap. And I'm putting quite a bit in here because I wanted the texture. Plus it darkens it just a little bit. And again, I'm being very careful in stirring it. Now, if I were making this for someone else, I would use rubbing alcohol, to spray this. See all the bubbles? Spray just a bit of alcohol in it, and it will, a squirt or two will take those bubbles away. Also, when you pour it, you want to spray the alcohol in the container first, and then on top to take all those bubbles away. Since this is just for personal use, I didn't do that step here. And I'm sprinkling some more oatmeal on top, which eventually does soak into it, but it does make kind of a thicker layer there. And then that sets, it's ready to go. I mean, it's ready to cut in about 2 hours, give or take. And then you're ready to cut it. I used the wavy one. I don't know why. You can use a straight cutter or a wavy one. And that's the end result. Now I have these little scrubbers that I put the soap into that I will use, and I consider these kind of like throwaways. So when the soap is done, I just throw the whole thing away. I have so many of these things. And they lather up really well. And I hung one in my shower. And that is probably a month's worth of soap. Each one should last about a week. So thanks for watching, guys.